Now let's see this question. Is C the grandmother of M? So in order to answer this question, see, the answer of this question could be either yes or no. So using the information, either if you are able to say yes or if you are able to say no, you can say that information is useful, right? But if you are not able to say yes, either yes or no, then only you can say that information is useless, right? Now let's see, using the information given in statement 1, either will I be able to say yes or no for this question. Now C is the mother of D is given here. C is the mother of D, so which means D and C. So C is the mother of D, which means negative means mother. Okay, and now D is the brother of M's father, right? So D is the brother of M's father. So there is father of M, right? See this, M's father is here, let's say, and D is his brother. Now what is the relationship between M and C? So definitely C is grandmother of M, isn't it? Why? Because M's father and D are siblings, right? And C is D's mother, and so you can say that C is grandmother of M, right? So I'll be able to answer this question with yes, isn't it? So for this question I am able to say yes, which means I am able to give the answer. Therefore we can say that using the information given in statement number 1, I'll be able to answer the question. But you should not stop there, just proceed to statement number 2 as well. In statement number 2 it is given that B is the sister of M, right? So B is the sister of M, both are siblings, right? We don't know the gender of M as of now. And now B is the mother of S, so B is mother of S, and C is mother of B, right? C is mother of B. So this is given. Now what is the relationship between C and M, right? So is C grandmother of M? But here it is he is not the grandmother, so she is a kind of mother, isn't it? So definitely not grandmother, therefore I can say no, right? So what is important here is you should be able to say either yes or no. You should not be able to you should not be in a ambiguous situation. So here you are definitely able to give some answer. The answer need not be consistent. See, statement number 1 is saying yes, statement number 2 is saying no. It doesn't mean that one of them is giving the wrong answer. It is not that way. How you should understand it is, the answer to this question could be either yes or no, and you should be able to say yes or no, anything, but then one thing for sure from each information, right? So from statement number 1 you are able to say the answer is yes, right? And from statement number 2 you are able to say the answer which is no, right? Therefore since you are able to answer the question using either the information in 1 or the information in 2, so you can say that either 1 or 2 is sufficient. So the option is 3. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.